paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn basics of shading today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! For this, we will require two boxes. Why don't we make it with a pencil first and then sketch it with our sketch pen? Usually, we use a black sketch pen and sketch the entire box. You can also take your favorite color. Let's complete sketching the entire box. And after that, let's select our colors. In the first box, we are going to use the colors from the same family, which is a darker blue or Persian blue, medium blue and light blue. At first, we will do always remember, you need to start with a darker color and go ahead with a lighter color. So let's start coloring with a darker color first. After that, let's use the same color to color a little lighter. Now, let's change our shade to a lighter tone. Why don't we color this color on top of the dark color? Once we are done with that, let's use the same color and color lightly. We will color in such a way that we see white spaces on the paper. Now, let's take the lightest blue and start coloring. Yes, to give it a shading effect, we are going to merge two colors. Hence, we will do the first color and then do the next color on top of the first color. Finally, let's fill all the white spaces. Great! Now it's time for us to smudge. You can use a tissue paper or you can also use your fingers to smudge it. If you feel that you need to do the darker color once again, then you can do it. And after that, let's start smudging from darker color to a lighter color. This looks great. Now, why don't we go ahead with the next box? Here, we are going to use different colors, which are red, orange and yellow. Can you tell me which are these colors? Yes, these are warm colors. Let's start with the darkest color, which is red. After that, why don't we take orange color and start coloring on top of the red color? Do you see both the colors mixing? Great! Now with the orange color, why don't we color a little lighter? Once we are done with this, we will take the lighter orange and color right on top of this. If you notice, red, orange and yellow are warm colors because they are the color of the sun, and blue is a cool color because it is the color of water. Now, let's start with the yellow color. Yes, we're going to merge two colors in order to do the shading. Let's complete the entire box with yellow color. And finally, it's time for smudging. So let's take our tissue paper and start smudging. Always remember, you need to smudge from a darker color to a lighter color. You can redo the colors on top of it once again and then smudge it once more. Try and get rid of all the lines. This looks beautiful. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.